portrait tutorial using spots. In this video, you'll see how to paint a portrait using a minimal amount of paint. I'll be using only 5. These are white, titanium white, yellow, cadmium, rose madder, permanent umber, Leningrad natural brown, and blue French ultramarine. What's the advantage of working with spots? We see everything around us primarily through spots, and it's much easier for us to find volumes and shapes through spots. And only then can we create a more precise shape and more accurate proportions. To start, I took and mixed a warm brown color, then added yellow and pink to it. And very thinly, I found the general silhouette. Next, after finding the silhouette and the portrait's composition, including the head size. Next, I start refining the hair, darkening the hair and adding shadows where they should be. I do all the work in a warm color palette and I leave the areas where there is light untouched. Once I've found all the darkest areas, I take a smaller brush and now I'll start adding the lightest ones. To change the color, to clean the brush, I use almost no solvent. I just take a rag and wipe the brush thoroughly on it. I've mixed the skin tone with white, yellow and red for lighter areas. And I completely covered the light areas with this light peach color, covering all our highlights. To make it simpler, at first I only work with warm colors without using blue, so we only use white, yellow, red and brownish red. I call Carmine pink a strong versatile color that can replace both warm and cool reds as well as burgundy, so you can just use it alone. Well, then I gradually start refining the shape, making sure to check the proportions as often as possible. How should you do this? You can squint a little or just look at the portrait without focusing and quickly compare it with your reference, with your picture. That way, you'll see where the mistakes are. Well, I think it's unnecessary to comment on the whole process here, so I'll leave you alone with the video now. I've sped up the whole process by about 2.5 times. Enjoy watching. I hope the video will be useful to you. Leave comments, ask questions, I'll be happy to answer them. Subtitles created by, 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 subtitles created by. subtitles created by, 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 subtitles created by,